I am so excited to announce the launch of the next big section of my book, where you can gain a really deep understanding of concepts such as median, mean, arithmetic sets, and overlapping sets. At the end of each chapter, you'll find a selection of official GMAT questions that you can use to practice the concepts that you've learned. And each of those questions is linked to a YouTube video solution in which you can see me applying those concepts to solving those questions. Start your free trial today to gain access to all of that, in addition to a live meeting with me every Saturday in my Zoom room where you can ask me anything you want. Your first week is free at quantreasoning.com. You can cancel anytime. I hope to see you this Saturday in my Zoom room.